In this video, we are going to fix Microsoft Store error code 0x80073d24. So without any further ado, let's get started. The first solution that you can do is that you need to press Windows key and R key together, type for wsreset.exe, and then click on the OK button. Wait until this procedure would be finished, and once you have completed this one, I want you to check if the error has been resolved. But if not, then move on to the second solution, and that is to disable the third-party software running in your device. So if you have an antivirus running in your device, try to disable it, or as much as possible as you can also uninstall that, okay? Because that might hinder the issue. I mean, that might be the reason why you face an issue, okay, in your device, okay? So that's it. Try to check if the error has been resolved, but if not, then let's move on to the next solution. Press Windows key and R key together. This time, type for inetcpl.cpl. Click on the OK button, and then in this Internet Properties, please proceed to the connections, and then there you can see LAN settings. Click on it, and then please check for automatically detect settings. Click on the OK button, close the window, restart your device, and check if the error has been resolved. But if not, then I want you to change the DNS server. Navigate at the bottom search bar, type for the panel. Once you have seen the control panel, please click on open here. And then first change the view like this. Navigate to the view by click on this. Go with large icons. And then from that, please find for an option which is the network and sharing center. Click on it. And then there you can see connections. Click on that one. And there you can see Wi-Fi status window. Proceed to the properties. Once you have bring up the Wi-Fi properties, select for Internet Protocol version 4. Go with the properties here. Then turn this on, which is use the following DNS server addresses and set it into 48 under the preferred and 28 and then 2 fours under the alternate. So once you have set this one, we have just set the best Google's DNS under the preferred and then the second Google's DNS under the alternate. Click on OK, close the window as well as this one and restart your device and check if the error has been resolved, okay? But if not, then I want you to copy this command at the YouTube description. Copy, Control C, and then please navigate here at the bottom search bar, type for PowerShell. Then you need to wait until you can see best match, which is the Windows PowerShell system, and then please run it as an administrator. So click on Run as Administrator, and then here in this new window called the PowerShell, you need to make a right click in order to paste that one. Click on the Enter key to start it, and then wait until the procedure would be finished, okay? And that's it. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click or turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you and have a good day.